Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. It's been, maybe 3 weeks since we had this trench dug, and we're going to be filling it up at any time now. And I have like 3 chunks of footage of the ditch being dug, and I really couldn't fit them in anywhere, but I'd like to show it. So all this video is going to be is the raw footage of the digging of the ditch. And that'll wrap it up. The water line is in there right now, and the whole thing is insulated. I backfilled it a little bit and then watered it, and we had some cave-in, which is expected and just fine. And then right after I watered it, we had a huge downfall of rain, and that made that whole back part cave in. But again, not a big deal. It's going to be filled in anyways. I'd kind of like to get that rock out of there for Natalie, but I don't know if I can do that or not. Looks pretty heavy. Okay, that'll wrap it up. We're going to be backfilling this within a couple days, And then we're actually going to be digging another trench straight through the top over to the pedestal there and running the main electrical wire for the tiny house. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them in the comment section below. And if you share the video and or give it a like, it helps the channel out greatly. Thanks for watching and have a great day.